Let's have a quick review about Faucet, a website to earn crypto for free. Go to btcpromos.com, select income from top filter bar. Open Faucet review and click visit site. Let's register an account. In case you got any errors while trying to register, turn off your VPN and try again. Just enter your email address, choose a username and a password, don't be a robot, and click register. That's it, now we are successfully signed in. Now let's go to Faucet and grab some free coins. There are 2 CAPTCHA you need to solve, and they are very easy. Click the upside down shape and click verify. As you can see, 55 coins has been added to our wallet. We need to wait 4 minutes until next free Faucet claim. Let's go click some PTC ads while Faucet gets ready again. It's easy and straightforward. Just click view on each one you'd like. Wait until the countdown reaches 0. And solve the CAPTCHA to receive your reward. I'll do a few more PTC to reach enough coins for withdrawal. Alright, that should be enough for a small cash out. Faucet Pay wallet supports very small amounts of money, known as micropayments with no fees. So let's go to Income tab, open Faucet Pay Review, and visit site to grab my BTC wallet address. That's it. Now I'll head back to Faucet to paste my wallet address. As you can see, my withdrawal request is successfully submitted and will be processed soon. Wish you the best.